Today we are going to talk about this new teeth cleaning kit and its use. This new teeth eraser is designed with a long handle. The triangular plug holds well to wipe our teeth. This triangle allows us to be very easy to control the angle at which teeth are wiped. Quick dental cleaning. Normally, we hold this S-shaped product in hand. Pinch these two flat areas with our index finger and two thumbs. This can better control the teeth eraser. The triangular head has two faces. Take one at random and it can stick to our teeth. Because of its triangular design, the angle is very friendly. After soaking in water, gently wipe on the tartar area. Compared with the old model, this product is easier to use. Don't squeeze too hard. Wipe it a few more times on this tartar place. It can remove tartar from teeth. When one side is grind more, you can change it to another side. Compared with the old model, the loss of this sponge will be lower. It's even harder to break off this cleaning strip, so its service life will be longer. And it will be easier for us to wipe. Okay, that's what we talk about today.